Hey guys, the Orient Traveller Z here. Today, we're at the St. Regis Singapore, where we'll be exploring their 52 square meter executive room. Along the entrance foyer, you will find a bar counter with a selection of beverages that you can have your butler delivered to your room, or savor a cup brewed yourself from a selection of TWG teas or coffee. Moving on to the room itself, it features a rectangular layout with a French-inspired palatial decor. A 42-inch television with 5.1 surround sound elevates the movie-watching experience. The Regal work desk is of a comfortable size and features a soft leather surface that exudes luxury. Next to the work desk is a long daybed that can comfortably seat 4 or 5 people or 2 in a reclined position. There is a marble coffee table and a 2-seater sofa in front of the bed. The plush king-sized bed features St. Regis linens and feels like sleeping on a cloud. Moving to the bathroom, there is a walk-in wardrobe with luxurious embroidered bathrobes. The bathroom itself is huge and covered in French marble, featuring a double vanity and the unique freestanding copper-wrapped bathtub. Bath amenities are by Laboratoire Remedies. The hotel features a lap pool with plenty of sunbeds. As well as a spa with jacuzzi and steam rooms that are complimentary for hotel guests. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough. See you in the next one.